Okay, Paul here. I recapped this radio and it died. It just won't work. So apparently when I got it working before, it wasn't something as easy as I thought it was. The caps are in right. I verified them over and over again, and they're correct. But right now, I'm driving an audio signal into here, and from here through the entire amp is working. The volume is working. So everything's working here, but the RF isn't working, which makes me think that whatever was going out before completely went out, and it was in the RF stage. I don't think the oscillator's working. I can't get nothing through here. Unless I inject a signal, I get nothing, not even static, even on full volume. Nothing, not a peep. Dead as a doornail. But as soon as I inject a signal, I get a signal. I injected a 455 kilohertz signal, and I slowly tried to adjust the IF cans. No change at all, so I left them all right where they were. I just turned them just a smidge in and back, and I went through each can. But the IF signal goes all the way through. Of course, I'm injecting it close to the same place I was injecting it over here somewhere. Not even sure now. Yeah, it was over here. But it doesn't get a signal through there now. And I think that has something to do with what I'm on. I'm on FM right now. Go back there. I think that's AM there. Yeah. So that's the AM. And that's where I injected it right there. Huh. I injected it here and it was going through. Now it's not. That's weird. Okay, let me see if I can reflow that solder joint. That's just weird. So, we got something going on there. Let me see if I can figure that one out. I'll be right back. Okay, I got this transistor soldered in on this radio, and I'm on the AM band, and haven't done an alignment yet. And of course, I need to. See, I think I'm all the way at the end. No, I'm not. I know the alignment's off. And I get a lot of interference down here. Okay, and then FM. That's the FM version of the same AM station that we have in town here. A little bit of static still in here. Okay, so we need an antenna. Let's see if I pull my an outside antenna down here, if that will help some. Okay, let's put that somewhere near the actually, I'll put it on FM. Yeah, there you go.
That's kind of all it's been, yeah.
And that's my outside AM antenna. Okay, I keep going the wrong way. Sorry about that. Plugging that antenna in. Now it's in my way. That's probably part of what's making the static in this. FM's working fine. There's some interference and some static in this condenser. But that's very clear, distinct, good sound, no distortion. Nice. Okay, let's try the AM again now that I have a AM antenna on here. It's not a very good antenna, and I'm far away from these stations, except that one. Again, AM and FM, they broadcast in Cornelia. Good sensitivity and selectivity. It's just, I'm buried behind electric wires and fluorescent lights. But you hear it in the mouth. If I was outside, I'd be getting all of these. And they'll be better once I some kind of computer signal there. once I do an IF alignment, they'll come in better. So that transistor, the old one, was going out. Overpowering that station. So there you have it. Now I'll do an alignment and be ready to go back to its owner. Thanks for watching. Well, here's the radio back in its case.
I love broadening my mind to all the great music that there is out there.
Can I tell you the one musical genre I just couldn't, or that they would ask for money.
Well, I have a problem. I went and reinstalled this and put the whole radio together and everything was working fine, and then went to go ahead and weigh it for shipping. Tried to turn this and it's just slipping. And this wheel is locked up. So I gotta figure out what's wrong with that. And I don't know. It's just really weird. Okay, we got it working. This is AM. Of course, I don't have a lot of stations down in the basement, but you see it's a lot of noise. Let me shut this light off and get rid of some of the noise. Let's see if I can get an antenna closer to it and maybe get a signal here. Guess I'm putting my AM signal into an FM antenna, but it ought to help a little. Well, there's just nothing around here in my basement, unfortunately. But the local station, FM. You see, I get a lot more FM stations because they'll come through concrete.
Our seniors, vulnerable population in pre-existing conditions.
So you see, there's a lot of
There's supposed to be a third debate.
stations. So it's playing fine. So there you have it. I appreciate you watching this video. If you found it interesting and you got an idea what it's like to work on a little vintage transistor radio from the early 60s, there you go. There's one that uses germanium diodes and germanium transistors, and is up and running. So I'm going to ship this back to its customer, and I appreciate you watching the video. Please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.